Teachers' Day is coming and it would be lovely to make a special plant pot for your teacher like this. So let me show you how it is done. So here I have taken crepe paper and I have folded it at the desired length that I require. So you can make it of different sizes because this will form our leaves of the plant. So once I have taken this, I will cut that much of the area, and then I will also use wire. Thereafter, on half of the portion I am going to add glue. So this glue I will spread it using paintbrush like this, and then I'll place my wires which I just now cut on top of it, on top of the glued portion. Thereafter I will fold over the top non-glued portion. That's it. And then we'll cut it into two halves. In this way you'll have two leaves already formed. Now many of them use masking tape and make leaves. I didn't have one and I wanted to do something different. If in case we do not have masking tape, can we make this plant? So yes, it was successful. Finally, I have cut one of the leaves. Now here you can either make use of poster colors or acrylic colors, and then at the corners, the end portion, you will paint it yellowish like this. Now this is one way of getting the plant leaves painted. If not, you can simply use sketch pen, dab over the sketch pen in this way. That's it. And once your leaf portion is completely covered with the green color, you will add in your yellow color for the ends of it like this. Once you're done coloring this thing, you will leave it aside for drying for some time. So this process will take a little time. It does not happen quickly because painting does take time. Once it's done and all your leaves are ready, see that you do the painting in the back and front of the leaf, because it looks empty if you don't paint the other side of it, though it's supposed to be the duller side, but I feel the effect is lost of what you all are trying to show of the plant. Once this is done, it's time to pot our plant. So here I have actually taken mud for the potting purpose, and then I will be folding the leaves in different ways. So here I have done a twisted fold. Other one you could do a spiral fold. So there are different ways this plant has its folds. Some of them are straight, some of them are spirals, some of them are twisted. So that's totally up to your choice. Once you have planted it in, what you're going to do is check if they are shaking like this. In case if they are shaking, it's an indication that you need to push it in. So whichever leaf is shaking, you need to push that in. There. Now it's fine. And that's it. That's our plant pot, and we can give it to our teacher for Teachers' Day. Do let me know in the comments how did you all enjoy the making of this plant pot, and I will see you next time with another new video. Bye.